Hello, my name is Julia Blanca Chire Cárdenas. I'm 38 years old. I'm from Peru and live in Arequipa. I enjoy go to the park on Saturdays. I am studied law. I learn cumbia. My favorite food is fried meat. I hate French fries. I ornic cloud. I enjoy watching TV shows. I have a dog named Bambino. I love cats. They are my favorite animals. I like to dance. I am charismatic. I enjoy being alone and quiet. I like to read some teach interesting tea. Gracias.